unlock the essential security credential that grants you access to your Twilio Universe Your Auth token. To begin, navigate to the Twilio console if you're not already logged in. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Account menu located in the top left corner of your Twilio console dashboard. Click on it to reveal a drop-down. From the Account drop-down menu, select the Tokens option. This will take you to a page specifically designed for managing your security tokens. On the Tokens page, you'll find your Auth token prominently displayed. It's a long string of characters that acts as your secret key. If your Auth token is hidden, you'll see a button labeled Show API Secret, or similar. Click this button to reveal your Auth token. To use your Auth token, you'll want to copy it. Look for the copy icon, usually next to the Auth token itself, and click it. This will automatically copy the token to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. But here's a crucial reminder: your Auth token is a secret. Treat it with the same care you would a password. Never share it publicly. Commit it to code repositories, or expose it in client-side applications. Keeping your Auth token secure is paramount to protecting your Twilio account and resources from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can confidently locate and manage your Twilio Auth token, ensuring secure and reliable communication with Twilio's powerful API.